What would you like? White or red? How many times have we asked this question? And yet, there is way more to the world of wine than white and red. It's a matter of style. Why don't we go find out together? Let's wine together. Allora, it's time to begin our journey in the wine styles. And we're gonna begin straight with the most important maybe, which is red wine. Now, I said most important, and I do not want to offend the other wine styles, of course. And everybody loves different kind of wines. Let's focus on the red wines right now. First things first, color. Where does color of wine come from? Well, the color of wine comes from the skin. How? During the fermentation, the yeast eat the sugars and transform it into alcohol and CO2, and during that transformation, alcohol is going to extract color from the berry. Color and tannins. So that's how you get your color in wine. Some grape varieties are more colorful than others, are more structured than others. They have more tannins. And that's exactly the reason why some red wines are light-bodied, some red wines are medium-bodied, and some other wines, red wines, are full-bodied, bold. So, how does it happen? Well, I give you a very simple example. Pinot Noir. Pinot Noir is a very light variety, so the color is going to be lighter, like a light ruby. The texture will be lighter. The tannins won't be too astringent. Another example could be Sangiovese or Merlot for a medium-bodied red. In that case, the tannins will be a little bit more astringent and there's going to be a little bit more weight in your wines. Another example for the bold wines, the classic example is Monsieur le Cabernet Sauvignon. Cabernet Sauvignon is maybe the most structured red in the planet. There are even more structured wines than Cab Sauv. In Italy, you have Aglianico, or the Nebbiolo for the Barolo, or the Amarone wines. These wines are super bold. So, more weight, more muscles, and more alcohol. It's, some people say, is it really important to more wines with more alcohol are finer wines? Not at all. The structure, the body of the wine doesn't have anything to do with the quality. What else is there though to make wines bigger or lighter? Well, the major thing would be oak. Some oak barrels are gonna add up structure to the wines because the oak is gonna hand over more tannins to the wine. What else? The soil. If you plant the same variety on a clay soil or on a sandy soil, you'll be having a bigger wines on the clay and a lighter wine on the sand. There is a lot more that I could talk about and I wish I were able to do it right now. But these are only small episodes to give you an idea of the major styles. Follow us on the next episodes to understand more about the other styles and later on in our live videos as well. Did you learn anything new today? If you have any questions, just ask. And of course, for more tips, tricks, and love, follow us on our social media and our wine classes. And enjoy it like a true Italiano.